Hi, I'm Clarence Anthony, CEO and Executive Director of the National League of Cities. We're working hard to ensure cities, towns, and villages get the federal support that you deserve and you need. There's a lot happening in Washington, D.C. right now, so here's what you need to know this week. First, the National League of Cities launched our Cities Are Essential campaign because our communities are in the fight of their lives, and we intend to win it. We're calling for $500 billion in direct federal funding for local governments over the next 2 years. That money would provide the lifeline we need to rebuild the thriving national economy we had before the pandemic. Second, as a part of the Cities Are Essential campaign, we've created resources to help you carry our message to your members of Congress. Too often, we hear that false narrative about how cities are poor fiscal managers or can simply declare bankruptcy. Well, we've got a myth-busting resource so we can make sure the truth prevails. NLC is here to help you set the story straight. You can find all of this and more at nlc.org. That brings me to some good news with my third point. This week, House Appropriations Chairwoman Lowry sent out a formal Dear Colleague letter with the funding formula that would ensure local governments of all sizes would get direct federal funding in the next recovery package. The funding would be split 50-50 between cities and counties, and it follows a similar formula to the Community Development Block Grant Program. This is the kind of federal partnership we need to help our nation bounce back from this virus. Fourth, Senate Minority Leader Schumer and Senator Gillibrand introduced a bill called the Direct Support for Communities Act. This legislation codifies the municipal fund formula. It is one of several pieces of legislation that cities are tracking and supporting. And fifth, we need you to take action and make some noise. We built some really easy online tools for you to reach out to your members of Congress. Tell them your story and ask them to help you build coalitions throughout America so that we have a stronger and brighter tomorrow. We need to be loud and clear. Cities are essential. Let's stand up for our citizens, for our community, for our nation. Cities are the engine of the national economy, and if we get the support we need, that engine will be up and running like we know it can. And thank you so much, and please be safe.